So what we see is, I guess, from a long history of dealing with government, we've recognised our strength in getting favourable policy is really about our ability to speak with one united voice. So that when we went to government, the dairy industry could speak with one voice, and government knew that if industry said, this is what we will do, the government could rely that the ADIC had the political power. While that is the political structure, we also recognise that often there's not many resources in those industry organisations to actually... So we have set up essentially a service body structure, and Dairy Australia is at the national level, and we have a group called the Regional Development Programs, and there is one of those in each of the dairy production areas. So the weakness of this model is it relies on the continued commitment of the individual members. While our commitment is strong, this structure works very well. But if I look from a national agriculture perspective, I think dairy is actually by government is well regarded, that does make it work, that does have an understanding of the issues and an industry agreed approach to dealing with them.
And some of the other agribusiness sectors in Australia are looking at this model. How well does the sector cooperate? It has been an evolution, and one of the things we did about 3 years ago is we had a process called farm sector priority setting, where we had meetings in regional level, rolling up into state level and to national level to get a coherent set of priority for the industry. The government sees us as an associated. It enables us to raise levies, and also it provides some direct funding as well. We've come down to 3 strategic objectives. Increase farm productivity, basically because farmers are price takers. Then as if we move off farm, we move into the value. The third area is to promote and protect the unique benefits of the Australian dairy industry. One of our major things we intend to achieve is that Dairy Australia is regarded as an essential investment.
We have been looking at these collective industry action for a long time, but there was a review by the ADIC in 2000-2001 which was looking at what were the right structures, and the key with Dairy Australia was the industry wanted an organisation that was owned by the industry. The danger though, this is very resource intensive. It takes a lot of resources to bring people together, so you have to be careful that you don't end up killing yourself by, this is the best way. Get everyone, get some ownership, build it up.